In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or 17 Pro Max, or really just any iPhone at this point, with the latest version of iOS. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But let's go ahead and get started. First things first, go ahead and open up your settings, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see the wallpaper option. Go ahead and select wallpaper, and from here, if you want to add a new one, go ahead and select add new wallpaper. This is going to open up your wallpaper settings where you can choose a photo from your library, or you can pick one of Apple's pre-made collections. For example, you can use the new iOS 26 collection, which if you scroll down, you'll see them within there. And these are all going to be animated, and they look pretty cool as well. Just swipe through them, pick one that you actually do like. For example, I kind of like this one right here. And if you're happy, just go ahead and tap add and then choose whether to set it for both your lock screen and home screen or make them different. Another quick method is straight from that lock screen. If you just press and hold and unlock with your Face ID or passcode, you can go directly into edit mode. In this case, I can just do edit and then select edit wallpaper, and it'll let me go ahead and change some settings on this as well. But I can't demonstrate it on the lock screen just because I am screen recording and it'll end this screen recording. But that's a quick way to do it all without going into your settings. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.